Hello everyone, I am Noor, technical trainer from AL-CADD, the learning solution. Today I am here to talk about crucial topic in the software development lifecycle, manual testing versus testing. These are the two main approaches to ensuring software quality, and while they share the same goal, their methods, advantages and areas of application differ significantly. Let's start with manual. As the name suggests, manual testing involves human performing tests step by step to ensure the software behaves as expected. It's like having a meticulous detective go through every feature of your software, searching for bugs and defects. One of the key advantages of manual testing is human insight. Understand the user's perspective, identify subtitle, usability issues, and evaluate aesthetics. Manual testing is indispensable for exploratory testing, ad hoc testing, and usability testing. However, there are some drawbacks. Manual testing can be time-consuming, repetitive, and prone to human errors. It's not for large datasets or tasks requiring repeated executions. For instance, running the same test after every small code change can be exhausting and inefficient. Now, let's look at automation testing. Automation testing uses scripts and tools to execute tests, making it faster and more consistent. Imagine having a robot running thousands of test cases within minutes. This is particularly useful for regression testing, load testing, and performance testing. The major benefits of automation testing are speed, accuracy, and scalability. Once an automation script is written, it can be reused across multiple testing cycles, saving time and effort. Like Selenium, JUnit, and Cypress have become industry standards, enabling companies to test faster and deliver software more efficiently. However, automation has its challenges too. Initial setup costs are high, and it requires skilled professionals to write and maintain the scripts. Moreover, automation is not well suited for areas of human judgment like exploratory or usability testing. So which is better, manual or automation testing? The truth is, neither is inherently better than the other. The choice depends on the context. For a new project in its early stages, manual testing is often more practical since the requirements are still evolving. On the other hand, automation testing becomes indispensable when the project matures and repetitive testing grows. In reality, the best approach is a combination of both. Automation and handle repetitive and large-scale tasks, while manual testing ensures the software remains user-friendly and intuitive. In conclusion, both manual and automation testing have and limitations. As testers, developers, or managers, our responsibility is to strike the right balance. By leveraging the best of both worlds, we can deliver high-quality software that meets user expectations and withstand the challenges of modern development. Thank you.